Hola, hello, I am Pepe the King Prono Guy.
Oh, that's so f***ing cool. And that's how we completely destroy a powerboard on a Leader 120. Nice.
Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today is giveaway day, April 15th. So we're going to use our YouTube randomizer. We're going to go ahead and plug in our URL. Going to search for it. And we're going to press start and get our random person. Watch it roll, watch it roll. Let's see who we get. Looks like Pedro Ulisses is our winner. So let's go check Pedro's count here. Make sure he's a subscriber, which I said I would do in the rules. Go to channels. Up, look at there. Right off the bat, there we are. So it looks like Pedro is an official winner. So congratulations to him. Everybody congratulate him on that. So looking forward. Again, congratulations, Pedro. Looking forward to May's giveaway. Tomorrow, technically, I will put up the video, the giveaway video, official giveaway video, which is where you will post your comment to get into May's giveaway. What I'm going to give away in May is I just got a Acro B and a Acro Whoop. And I'm putting together a 3-part series, which is going to be building the Acro B and then building the Acro Whoop, because they do come with different components but the same frame. So we'll look at the differences in the packages because they were the same price. And then we're going to do some side-by-side, video of flying, and I'll give you my feedback on the actual flight characteristics. Both of them have the exact same PIDs on them and everything. Both of them are their gold motors, so everything is side by side similar. So what we're going to do is we're going to compare those in that way on the third video, and I'll compare the components side by side on a list and look at what we got and give my recommendation from my feelings, which you can really judge your own. And then what we're going to do is we're going to give the winner in May the, in my opinion, winning Whoop. So whichever one wins the contest of the Whoops, Battle of the Whoops, I will purchase and send you a DIY kit so you can build your own Whoop. So look forward to that coming. So again, guys, remember, walls are for hanging pictures, not for hanging quads. Subscribe, like, tell your friends. Thanks, guys.